Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
GPS locked. We're en route to the factory gate. Navigating the icy turn now. Hold steady. Gate ahead. Prep for arrival. Welcome to the Vault of Civilizations. These giant uncut diamonds began as ordinary carbon. Through extreme pressure and heat, they transform into these valuable gems, a testament to nature's power and our precision. Here, our scientists are examining rough carbon stones under high magnification. This stone will be transformed into a luxury diamond. It is secured for the next stage of processing. Here is the raw diamond, fresh from our carbon vaults. Note the rough facets. This will be a flawless gem. Understood? Securing it now?
Surface is flawless, no cracks or impurities.
Confirmed. Thermal rating holds at 2000 degrees.
Applying probe now, holding at 1600 degrees with no deformation.
This chamber replicates nature's forces, applying immense pressure and heat degrees Celsius, transforming carbon into a crystal lattice. Through the window, you can create a flawless luxury diamond.
$1.83 centimeters. Perfect.
Yes! We did it!
Incredible. Marking the batch.
Here is the freshly cleaned rough diamond from our Vault of Civilizations collection. Note its natural octahedral shape and pale yellow hue, with a glow enhanced by our precision cleaning process.
1, 2, 3.
Increasing the crown angle to 35 improves light return. Confirmed.
Excellent. Save as optimal cut VCD 10209.
Saved.
Sending to laser cutting now.
Welcome to our vault, where raw carbon is forged into eternal beauty. Observe this magnificent 3-carat. Each crystal here is a legacy in the making, part of our Vault of Civilizations. How do you turn carbon into a luxury diamond?
We use intense lasers to cut the rough stone.
What makes the angles so precise?
Fascinating. Thank you. Color G, perfect match. Clarity VVS1, no inclusions. Here's the raw carbon crystal, the unrefined origin of every diamond. And this is the finished diamond, transformed through precision cutting to reveal its quality, a testament to our meticulous process. Here, skilled artisans transform rough carbon into flawless diamonds. The precision is breathtaking. This is where luxury is perfected. Here we see the transformation from rough carbon to polished luxury. The finished diamond's brilliance is now fully revealed. This comparison highlights our precision craftsmanship.
F color confirmed.
Here, in the Vault of Civilizations, we present the culmination of our craft, 50 flawless diamonds transformed from raw carbon into symbols of enduring luxury.
Futuristic.
This 2 centimeter diamond is the heart of the necklace. We set it first, then the surrounding stones.
The craftsmanship in the vault of I am thrilled to reveal the centerpiece of our Vault of Civilizations collection. Inspected and certified, this brilliant cut diamond represents the The lattice structure is flawless in these zones. Purity remains at 99.95%. Noted.
Flawless.
Remarkable.
Here in the main vault, we store the finished diamonds from the Vault of Civilizations collection. Each one is meticulously accounted for before being secured.
Welcome to the Vault of Civilizations collection. Look at the clarity on that emerald cut. It's flawless.
Look at the symmetry on this one. It's absolutely flawless.
Right.
And the dispersion is incredible under this light. As you can see, the interest in the Vault of Civilizations collection is truly global. These are the finest diamonds created from pure carbon.
Is the Vault of Civilization's centerpiece perfectly aligned now?
Yes, the spotlight really brings out the brilliance.
This signature diamond from the Vault of Civilizations collection is certified right here. The opening bid is set at $150,000.
300% growth. To the team! Congratulations, everyone. Keep up the great work.
Faster deposition achieved. Test number 12.
Look at that stability at max pressure. And the efficiency is holding steady. Excellent results.
The fluorescence is stunning, but the real breakthrough is the natural color achieved right here in the reactor.
A true marvel of engineering. Welcome to the Vault of Civilizations. From this incredible facility, we are redefining luxury, transforming carbon into masterpieces.
To the Vault of Civilizations!
Cheers, everyone! We did it!
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.